Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's October 10th, 2025, and it's around 10:30 in the morning. Down there changing the water. And I decided to water it one more time since it's still growing. It's about 63 degrees and a lot of clouds. There's a little bit of blue in the sky. The sun keeps popping out, which is good. But the wind's picked up a little bit, so it's a little breezy. We'll have to go downtown and get some fuel for the Tahoe. Got a backroads run tomorrow. It's for our annual Oktoberfest. Do a backroads run up to Jump Off Lookout. And come back here for a Oktoberfest dinner. Oh, I walk up here and they think I have something special for them. See if Edith wants a walnut. You want that? Kind of hard. I know Harold loves them. I wasn't really sure if she was going to eat it or not. Yep. That's probably why there's none laying on the ground on the inside. Well, I better get going. I drive all the way over to Union Gap and get some fuel from the res because it's very expensive here in Selah. And when you got a big tank like what we have on the Tahoe, it's worth a little extra drive. Well, I'll catch you later.